sin inverse x plus cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. Logarithm m to the power of n to base a is n log m to base a. Sin a cos b. Sin a cos b is equal to half of sin a plus b plus sin a minus. Diameter of line is nothing but the lines which are passing from the origin. That's it. Area of a triangle ABC is equal to, by vector method, half into length of AB cross AC vector. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics paper discussion class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. In my previous section, we have discussed regarding MCQ questions, fill in the blanks, and 1 mark very short answer questions. Today in this session, I am going to discuss regarding 2 marker questions, that is part B. Part B, 2 marker questions. In part B, you are going to answer for any 9 questions. Answer any 9 questions out of 14 questions. 14 questions are given. In that, we are going to answer for 9. 5 choice questions will be there. Very easy to score 18 out of 18 from this part. Okay. Now, this is very important part to concentrate, to be concentrated to get maximum marks. Right. Now, first one, find GOF and FOG if f from R to R is given by and g from R to R is given by g of x is equal to x cube and x to the power of 1 by 3. What is given g of x and f of x is? F from R to R is defined by f of s, g of x is equal to GOF of x is equal to x to the power of 1 by 3 and f of x is equal to 8x cube, f of x it is. Now, just find out first one, find out the value of g naught f of x, GOF x, g of f of x is equal to g of f of x, that's equal to g of, what is f of x? 8x cube. So, let us consider this as k. What is k here? This is the easiest method where k is equal to 8x cube. Since g of x is equal to x to the power of 1 by 3, g of k can be known as k to the power of 1 by 3. Just substitute the value of k. What is k we have taken? 8x cube to the power of 1 by 3. This can be known as 8 to the power of 1 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. 8 to the power of 1 by 3 into x is the value of a g naught f of x. Now, on the other hand, find out f naught g of x. So, f naught g of x, fog x, f naught g of x is equal to f of g of x. So, this is f of, what is g of x? G of x is equal to x to the power of 1 by 3. So, just let us call this as m, where what is m? M is equal to x to the power of 1 by 3. Since what is f of x? F of x is equal to 8x cube. F of m can be known as 8m cube. Substitute the value of m. What is m? M is nothing but x to the power of 1 by 3 whole raised to 3 gets cancelled. That's equal to 8x. That's it. So, GOF of x is 8 to the power of 1 by 3 cube root of 8x and fog x is equal to just 8x. Now, move on to the next problem. Prove that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2 for all x belongs to the real number. Now, let us take tan inverse of x is equal to theta, which implies tan theta is equal to x. Convert this tan to cot. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. What is tan 90 minus theta? Cot theta. Therefore, what is cot inverse x from this? Cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. Take LHS, tan inverse x plus cot inverse of x. What is tan inverse x? Tan inverse of x is theta. Cot inverse x is pi by 2 minus theta plus theta. That's equal to pi by 2, which is the required RHS. That's it. Take one value, take tan inverse x as theta, convert tan to cot theta and substitute, you will get the answer. Now, move on to the third problem. Again, inverse trigonometric function. If sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x is equal to 1, find x. This is also very simple. You know, convert this into the form sin inverse x plus cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. Now, what is given? Transfer this. Sin inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x is equal to, if you transfer sin to the right hand side, it becomes sin inverse 1. So, this is nothing but sin inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x is equal to sin inverse 1 is pi by 2. Comparing with sin inverse x plus cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 5. That's it. Very simple. Right. Now, move on to the next. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 2, 7, 1, 1 and 10, 8 using determinants. What is the formula for area of a triangle? Area of a triangle is equal to half into x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 and 1, 1, 1 under mod. This is half into, what is x1, y1? 2, 7, 1, x2, y2, 1, 1, 1 and 10, 8 and 1. Simplify this. This is half into expand plus, minus and plus. 2 into 1 ones are 1 minus 8 minus 7 into this is gone. 1 ones are 1 minus 10 plus 1 into this is gone. 1 8s are 8 minus 10. So, this is equal to half into 2 into minus 7 into minus 9 plus 1 into minus 2. This is equal to half into 7 2s are 14 minus into minus plus 9 7s are 63 again minus 2. So, this is half into 63 minus 16. What is this equal to? Half into 63 minus 16. So, therefore, area is equal to 47 by 2 square units. That's it. Simplify and check. That's it. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Find dy by dx if 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. What is given? 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. Differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Differentiating with respect to x on both sides. 2 into differentiation of x is 1. 3 into differentiation of y is dy by dx and derivative of sin x is cos x. So, this 3 into dy by dx as it is, transfer this plus 2 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 2. So, therefore, the required answer dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2 divided by 3. This is the simplified answer. Followed. Very simple for 2 marks. Move on to the next problem. Same again, y is equal to x to the power of sin x. This is again from differentiation, logarithmic differentiation. Taking log to base e on both sides. This is log y to base e is equal to logarithm of x power sin x. So, you know there is a formula in logarithm. Logarithm m to the power of n to base a is n log m to base a. Here it is log y to base e is equal to sin x into log x to base e. Differentiate this. Differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Differentiation of log y is 1 over y dy by dx is equal to product rule. First function, second function. Sin x into differentiation of log x is 1 over x. Log x into differentiation of sin x is cos x. Now, only dy by dx is equal to transfer this y into sin x by x plus log x into cos x. Log x into cos x. Substitute the value of y. So, dy by dx is equal to what is y? X power sin x. X power sin x into sin x by x plus log x into cos x. That's it. This is how we are going to differentiate using logarithmic methods. Hope you followed. Now, move on to the next problem. Find the local maximum value of the function. Again, this is from application of derivatives. What is given? G of x is equal to x cube minus 3x. Differentiate this. Differentiating with respect to x. So, g dash of x is equal to differentiation of x cube is 3x square minus 3. Again, differentiate it. G double dash x is equal to 6x. 3 2s are 6x. Now, for the function to be maximum or minimum for the function to be maximum or minimum, g dash of x is equal to 0. That is, what is g dash x? 3x square minus 3 is equal to 0. So, 3x square is equal to 3, x square is equal to 3 by 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 1. So x is equal to plus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 are the critical points. So when x is equal to 1, f dash x is 0, f double dash of x, so that is 6 into, what is f double dash x? 6 into 1 is 6, positive. The function is minimum. Now when x is equal to minus 1, f dash x is 0, f double dash x is equal to 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. Minus 6, it is negative, means the function is maximum. So therefore, if you put x is equal to 1, you will get the maximum value. So maximum value of this function is maximum value at x is equal to minus 1, that is minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1, minus 1 plus 3, that's equal to 2. So local maximum here is x is equal to minus 1 is a local maximum value. That's it. Okay. This is how we are going to find. Now, next, move on to the next, integrals. Integrals, evaluate, integrate sin 3x into cos 4x. Just make use of this formula. Now, there is one formula for this, sin A cos B. Sin A cos B is equal to half of sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So there is one formula, sin A cos B is equal to half sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So what is A? A is 3x, B is equal to 4x. So this is half into integral sin of A plus B, 3x plus 4x plus sin of 3x minus 4x into dx, just half into integral sin 7x plus sin of 4x minus 3x minus 4x is minus x dx. So this can be written as half into integral of sin 7x minus sin x dx. Now integrate it. Half into integral of sin 7x is minus cos 7x by 7. Integration of cos sin x is minus cos ax by a, minus integration of sin x is minus cos x, minus into minus plus cos x divided by 1 plus c, that is nothing but cos x. So half into minus cos 7x by 7 plus cos x plus c is the integrated answer. Very simple and important. Now move on to the next one, integration of cos 2x. Now what is integration of cos 2x? Integration of cos 2x is sin 2x between the limits 0 to pi by 2, definite integrals. So integration of cos 2x is sin 2x divided by 2. Now you can take 1 by 2 out, apply the upper limit, sin of 2 times pi by 2 minus sin of 0, right? What is this equal to? Half into sin of 2 times pi by 2 is nothing but pi, sin 180 minus sin 0. What is sin 0? Sin 0, 0. What is sin 180? Sin 180 can be written as sin of 180 plus 0. Sin 180 plus 0 is sin 0, that is also equal to 0. Half into 0 minus 0, half into 0, the answer is 0. That's it. Very simple. Now move on to the next problem. Form the differential equation representing the family of curves y is equal to mx, where m is an arbitrary constant. Y is equal to mx. Let us represent this as equation 1. Eliminate the constant m, differentiating with respect to x. If you differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to m into differentiation of x is 1. So m is dy by dx. Now put m is equal to dy by dx in equation number 1. So what is y is equal to x into m is dy by dx. So therefore the required differential equation is x dy by dx minus y is equal to 0. So therefore x into dy by dx minus y is equal to 0 is the required differential equation. The family of line is nothing but the lines which are passing from the origin. That's it. Okay. Now move on to the next problem. Find the area of a triangle having the points A 1 1 1, B 1 2 3 and C 2 3 1 as the vertices. So here this is the triangle ABC. This is by vector method. Area of points A 1 1 1 A, and this is B, call it as B 1 2 and 3, call it as C. What is C? 2, 3, 1. You know area of triangle. Area of a triangle ABC is equal to, by vector method, half into length of AB cross AC vector. Now just find out AB vector. AB is equal to vector OB minus OA vector. So OB minus OA is nothing but 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. So vector AB is equal to 0I plus j plus 2k. Another vector AC vector. Vector AC is equal to OC minus OA vector. So this minus this. 2 minus 1 is 1. Again 3 minus 1 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Therefore vector AC is equal to I plus 2j plus 0k. Now just find out AB cross AC determinant I, j and k. 1, 0, 1, 2 and 1, 2, 0. Simplify this. I into 0 minus 4 minus j into, this is gone, 0 minus 2 plus k into, this is gone, 0 minus 1. What is this equal to? Minus 4i, minus into minus plus 2j minus k. The length of this, length of AB cross AC is equal to square root of 4 4s are 16, 4 square, that is 4 square plus 2 square plus minus 1 square. So 4 square is 16 plus 2 square is 4 plus 1, root of 21. So therefore the required area is equal to half into root 21 square units. That's it. This is by vector method. Okay. Half into length of AB cross AC. Now move on to the next problem. Find the vector in the direction of A, I to j has a magnitude of 7 units. Given vector A is equal to I minus 2j. The required vector is equal to 7 times A cap. That is 7 into A cap is nothing but vector A divided by its own length. 7 into vector A is I minus 2j divided by length of this 1 plus 4. So this is 7 by root 5 times I minus 2j is the required vector whose magnitude is 7 units. Now move on to the next problem. Find the angle between the lines x plus 1 by 2 is equal to y by 3 is equal to z minus 3 by 3 and the plane 10x plus 2y minus 11z is equal to 3. Now just observe, find the angle between the line. This is of the form x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 divided by c. Now what is the vector A here? Vector A is equal to ai plus bj plus ck, that is nothing but 2i plus 3j plus 3k. And the given plane, this plane is of the form, this is of the form vector r dot n is equal to d. What is vector n here? Vector n is equal to 10i plus 2j minus 11k. That's it. Now what is the angle between the line and the plane? So the angle between the line and the plane is sin pi is equal to b dot n, vector b dot n divided by length of b into length of n under mod. That's it. So sin pi is equal to b dot n, dot product of these two, 2 into 10 plus 3 into 2 plus 3 into minus 11 divided by the magnitude of, first root of 2 square is 4 plus 9 into second n 100, 10 square is 100 plus 2 square is 4 plus 11 square is 121. Simplify this. That's equal to 2 tens are 20 plus 3 twos are 6 minus 11 threes are 33 divided by 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 4 is 22 into root of 121 is 221 plus 4 is 225. So what is this equal to? This is equal to 26 minus 33 minus 7 divided by 225. Square of 225 is 15. 15 into 22 root 22. So if you take modulus, then this becomes 7 divided by 15 root 22. That's it. So therefore psi is equal to sine inverse of 7 divided by 15 into root 22 is the angle between the plane and the line. Very important problem. The angle between the line and the plane. For this only we are using sin pi. B dot n divided by length of B into length of n. Okay. Next, in all other cases it is cos theta. Now, next one. Find the probability distribution of number of heads in two tosses of a coin. Number of heads in two tosses. Suppose if yes, let the sample space be. Find the probability distribution of number of heads in two tosses. If it toss two tosses, what is the probability? What is the possible events? Head and head, head and tail, tail and head, tail and tail. Now, what is to find the probability distribution of number of heads in two tosses? Number of heads. Since how many events are there? Since there are 4 events. So, right, probability of H and H, that is 1 by 4. Probability of H and T is also equal to 1 by 4. Probability of T and H is also equal to 1 by 4. Probability of T and T is also equal to 1 by 4. All 1 event out of 4, right? Suppose if X denotes the number of heads, let X denotes the number of heads, right? Number of heads only. Then let us come to the first. Suppose if X denotes the number of heads, then so X of head and head, how many heads are there? 2. X of H and T, it is 1. X of T and H, it is 1. X of T and T, how many heads are there? There is no head, 0, right? So from this, what do you say? Probability of X is equal to 0, means probability of T and T. What is T and T? 1 by 4. So probability of X is equal to no head means 0, that is T and T 1 over 4. Now P of X is equal to 1. P of X is equal to 1 means there is one head. So when X is equal to 0 means no head. No head means probability of T and T, that is 1 by 4. Probability of X is equal to 1 means, so the probability of X is equal to 1 head and tail or tail and head. What is this equal to? Probability of H and T and T and H. How many events are there? So that's equal to 1 by 2. Next, probability of X is equal to 2. P of X is equal to 2. X is equal to T means probability of X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 means both the heads, head and head. P of H and H. What is probability of H and H? H and H is equal to 1 by 4. Now therefore the probability distribution is, I'll write X and P of X. So when X is 0, X is 1, X is 2. What we got? When X is equal to 0, it is 1 by 4. When X is equal to 1, it is 1 by 2. Again when X is equal to 2, it is 1 by 4. This is the probability distribution. Right, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. That's it. Hope you followed. That's all for 2 marks. So if you write this much, definitely you will get 2 marks. So these are all 2 marks questions. So 14 questions. In these 14 questions, you just answer any 9. Choose the easiest question and answer, so that you will get 18 marks from this part. No doubt, without any doubt, you will get 18 marks out of 18 very easily. Okay, very easiest part. Now, that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different part. That is, in the next session, I am going to discuss regarding part C, 3 mark questions, and part D, 5 mark questions, and part E, 6 marks and 4 marks questions. So, that's all regarding today's session. Thank you very much.